Hi, my friends. Welcome back to Twisted Roots Yoga Studio. My name is Elizabeth, and I'll be your yoga guide today. And we're just going to take a few minutes to focus on Balancing Tabletop Pose. This pose will actually help you to build strength, balance, and calm the mind. You can do this anytime and anywhere. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and set up. So we'll come down into tabletop onto our mats. And we'll make sure that our wrists, shoulders, and elbows are in alignment, spreading our fingertips wide and pressing into the palms of our hands. Knees are under our hips, and we'll just have a neutral spine. When you're ready, we'll go ahead and extend the right foot. Toes can be touching the mat, that's okay. We'll slowly lift the right leg up, and then if it's in your practice, go ahead and lift the left hand up, thumbs facing the ceiling. We'll go ahead, pull the belly button in gently for stability for the spine, all the while engaging your core, and just to kind of like pull through your crown a little bit, like moving forward, the crown of your head, and then your backbone reaches back. Take a breath here, inhale, and then exhale, keeping that balance. Go ahead, bring the left hand down, and then the right knee comes down. Let's go ahead and take a little movement as we get ready to set up the other side. Take your time here. Pressing into our palms, knees under our hips. We'll go ahead and gaze down towards the mat. You'll extend the left leg. Toes can be down on the mat right here. If you'd like to join me and lift your left leg, we'll go ahead and do that. And then we'll lift the right arm up, thumbs coming up. Engaging that core, strong right here. Lengthening that neck, gazing down towards the mat, keeping your balance. And if you'd like to take a little challenge, we'll go ahead and bring elbow to knee. So pulling the right elbow to the left knee under your body, rounding your spine, and then reaching back out, extending. Yogi ears on. It's okay to practice here with concentrating on our balance, not perfection. Go ahead, elbow to knee, and reach and extend. This time we'll link the breath, and don't forget, palm facing up to the ceiling. So we'll go ahead, take a deep breath in, and then exhale, rounding the back. Let's go ahead and get ready to set up the other side. Left foot comes down, then the right hand meets the left. Some windshield wipers. Again, we can just stay right here. You can stay in tabletop. But if you would like to join me for a bit more of a balance, we'll go ahead and we'll extend the right leg. Left hand comes up, thumbs up, scoring off to the edge of the mat. Left elbow to right knee. Pull everything in together. Extend. And then go ahead, round underneath your body. Rounding that spine. Extend. Let's do one more. Take a deep breath here. Inhale, then exhale as we round. Woo, yeah, I'm feeling it. And extend. Go ahead, Brock, bring the left hand down, and then the right knee meets the left. A little more movement here. Good job. You are welcome to do as many as you like. I'm just going to turn around, face you. Going over some of the benefits. This is a great pose for strengthening your back, your hips, your spine, all the while being able to focus on stability. This is great for lengthening your spine and also helps with our root chakras and sacral chakras. I want to thank you so much for joining me today for this quick practice. Let me know if you would like to meet next week. I'd love to hear from you. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll be working next week on tabletop with a little more flow of movement and breath. So I hope to see you next week. Have a great day, and thank you for joining me. Take care.